Okay, they're starting to come. Come on, chickies. All right, I filled these up. Let's see if they notice the food. They want to come swarming. Oh, maybe. Here's some come. Some are coming. You want to take that one? Let's each grab a side of this gate and we'll see if we can walk it and maybe it'll kind of like spook them and push them. There we go. We got them moving. All right, they're all being lazy birds and not coming in here. So I think I'm gonna have to go and actually carry each one of them over here. 5 to go. 1. You're getting that one?
No, I got it.
Oh, she got it. Well, that was fun.